Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to start WhatsApp in your iPhone. First, open your App Store and search WhatsApp and install WhatsApp Messenger. Now install your WhatsApp, click open. Review the terms and services. Click agree and continue. I am use different mobile number. I'm already WhatsApp business installed in my mobile phone. Click use a different number and select your country and type your mobile number. Click done in the right top corner. Confirmation your mobile number, yes, and verify your mobile number. Type your 6-digit registration code in via SMS. Type here. If your WhatsApp restore, then click restore, but I am not restore my backup. Click skip restore and enter your name and add image. Choose your gallery. I am choose this and click choose and click done. Would you like access your contacts? And I know done. Now start messaging. You can chat with contacts who have WhatsApp installed on their phone. Now, thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more updates.